out. Alright y'all, as you guys can see here, we are going ahead and flashing the revised tune for 15 PSI. I'm gonna let this thing do its job, flash the new tune, then we're gonna go ahead and test it out with some watt pulls to see how the drivability is under load, because that's what we need to do. We need to go ahead and command more fuel and overall hopefully have the car running a lot harder and better. Alright, we got this new tune loaded up. Let me know what you guys think at the idle. Pump some 93. Now I was advised by my tuner to run this car at no less than a half a tank of gas, because we are running a lot more boost, and on top of that, these GT tanks don't have baffles in them, so it's best to have half a tank at minimum when going watt to prevent any type of cutting out. So we're gonna go ahead and get some pulls going. You guys enjoyed those pulls. That was actually the first time I went ahead and actually got on the car on the new setup with the new revised tune. Now, I was advised to go ahead and only do pulls in this car when it has a half a tank or more, because with the stock GT tanks they don't have a baffle, and it's just really sketchy when you're up in the higher RPMs and potentially could have fuel slosh. So now whenever I do go out and do pulls, or go ahead and race the car, I need to make sure that I have a half a tank of gas at minimum, so we have the best chance of not leaning out and bad things happening. Now also, you guys can see that the car is cutting out a lot up top. That is because the stock alternator, the 130 amp alternator in the car right now, that's done. It's spinning way too fast with the 2.7 grip tech pulley on it, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and upgrade to a 200 amp alternator to go ahead and fix that, prevent it cutting out, because the voltage is actually going down to the point where it is affecting the fuel pump, and that overall is going to cause the car to pull timing, go lean, and overall just, you know, make the car a lot slower. So gonna go ahead and fix that and go ahead and take the car out and get some more pulls in there. And we're also gonna go ahead and draggy the car. Now, I actually did just pick up a draggy, so we're gonna go ahead and see how that does go out. Gonna go ahead and see what it does shifting at like 6K, and then we're gonna go ahead and see what it does like shifting at 6,300 RPMs when the alternator is changed. So if you guys enjoyed the channel, enjoyed the content, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications, man. If you guys have any questions or want to, you know, see some sneak peeks of anything, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And yes, here's POV. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.